1996 Chevy Tahoe 1500. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters there and there. Then it comes factory true dual right there into a FLOWMASTer Super 10. We took out the original muffler and tailpipe and put a FLOWMASTer Super 10 for him. He wanted sound. Dual in, dual out. Part number 842515. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. Then we had, he wanted it off the sides, angled into flat tips. Right there. And right there. As you guys can see, came out really beautiful, really phenomenal. There's the muffler and tailpipe that we cut off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTer Super 10 True. That sounds pretty good. There's sound decibels again.